Did you know cats feel more than we think? Behind those quiet eyes is a heart that understands love. Cats can jump 6 times their body length. But what's truly powerful is how they always come back to you. Every cat has a unique nose print, just like a fingerprint, because no soul is the same. Cats sleep most of the day, not because they're lazy, but because they trust the world. When they feel safe. When a cat purrs, it's not just a sound. It's healing. It calms their pain. And somehow yours too. Cats don't meow to other cats. They save that voice for humans. For the ones they choose. So when your cat looks at you, slow blinks, and purrs softly, that's love. Quiet.
Pure.
And real.